Welcome, my name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video, earn money online with step-by-step guidance. And so that's what I help people do. I help people who want to come online and start an online business. But deeper than that, I specialize in helping the new person who's looking to get started online, who doesn't have a clue on what that looks like and what that's going to take to get started, who don't have their own products or service either, but wants to be able to have a done-for-you product that they can take and resell and make their own. That's who I help when it comes to making money online. I have also modified my marketing message to include people, regardless of what online business you want to start, because I got so many people starting to ask me, do I help people start other businesses other than tax preparation services? Because that's my area of expertise. I have a tax preparation business for the last 22 years, 16 years of business on this, how I got started online. And so as a result of that, more and more people started asking, do I help people start online businesses, not just tax preparation businesses? So I had to modify my marketing message to be all inclusive to people who look to get started online and still keep the same essence of still working with the new person who's looking to get started on that journey to making money by giving them step-by-step guidance, let them know the products that they're going to invest in is digital education that they need in the first place that's going to help them build out their online business that they can resell to others who need the same information. And so that's the difference between you investing in a course and then turn around, now you got to go create the course. That's the difference in this example. In this here situation, the thing that you invest in is the same thing you can position yourself to resell to another person who needs online digital marketing educational training just like you do. So any person that's looking to come online and start an online business, they need the digital marketing educational training that this opportunity gives you. So for investment of $500, you get the digital marketing turnkey course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about digital marketing, which helps you with your online journey and position you to be able to resell that to someone else who needs the same information, who doesn't have it. And so that's where you make your money from, because you're going to invest in this digital marketing educational course that you're going to learn from, you're going to implement, you're going to position yourself to resell it to other people who need the same information that you needed to help you get started in your online journey, who don't already have it. And then the $100 investment is for the digital product, which is a daily blueprint that my actual mentoring coach created back in 2016. And she came online in 2007. She's a six-figure earner. And this is a proven blueprint that she uses each and every day inside of her business that she created, and she wrote it out to let you know this is the thing she's doing to get the type of success that she has. And she created it, and she's give you permission to resell it as your own. Now, the great thing about these two different products, you can keep them as is and resell them like I'm doing, or you can take them and put your own face, your own picture, your own colors, your own everything on it, and sell it like it's yours. It's up to you. Me, I'm all about keeping it simple. So the $100 investment is the daily blueprint. There's a proven strategies and information that was written by my mentoring coach, Yostel Perez, and then the $500 one-time investment for the digital educational course, which gives you all the information you need to build out your online journey and be able to resell it to people who need the same information that you needed, who don't already have it. So for people who need to get started online, this here digital marketing educational course for the one-time investment of $500 is definitely needed. And you need to understand this is a long-term venture, not short-term. So if you get all in, invest in both, that's a total of $610, where for the person who needs digital educational information, you can leverage the $100 digital product or the $500 digital product, but you must be all in to do that. Now, if you just have the $100 product, then you make $100 sales. If you just have a $500 product, you just make $500 sales. But if you own both, you make both. Because you're going to have some people who are going to get all in like you and buy both. And you're going to get some people who got enough money to invest in a $100 product. And you got people who decide, I'm just going to do the $500 product. But the bottom line is you want to be in a position to sell both of them one day. If you can't do it right now today, pick which one your pockets can afford without hurting you and your family. Don't put yourself in a hole trying to invest in this digital marketing educational opportunity that's going to let it, and put yourself in a bind with your family and your bills and your living. Don't do that. This is not what we want you to do. We want you to be able to start your online business by investing in it without putting yourself in a strain that you might already be in. So you want to invest wisely in getting started. If you need to learn more about this, 773-782-1320. I'm not here to convince you about the digital educational product and how it's going to help you with online success. But any questions, concerns you may have that's going to help you make a buying decision, I'm here to answer those questions. Thank you for watching this video. Share it with others. Leave me a comment, and I'll see you in my next video.